Hello? I will show you the easiest way to link an Excel cell to AutoCAD. Copy the cell in Excel. Then, in AutoCAD, paste and paste special. Select Paste Link. And select Microsoft Excel Worksheet Code. Press OK. Now you can place the object in AutoCAD with a click. The object will look exactly how it is formatted in Excel. You can repeat the process for more cells if desired. This is much better than table option in AutoCAD because you don't have to press Data Link Update every time the Excel cell is changed. Now, once the Excel cells are edited, it will automatically get updated in AutoCAD. This is a good solution when you are using a DWG as a template to start a new project, and this way you have some info from a database Excel available. Once finished, just delete the object.